was
All right,
changing
good
somewhat.
afternoon.
Yeah.
Today is Tuesday, October the 5th. It's the first meeting of the Public Health and Safety Committee. We do have a quorum with everybody attending. First thing that's on the list is the election of one Metro Safety Advisory Board member. If you, like me, wondered what does the Metro Safety Advisory Board does, this is what it does. It says the Safety Advisory Board formulates and projects the goals and objectives of the Metropolitan Employee Safety Program, reviews the progress of the program, and recommends changes in such a program, and requests information from departments and agencies of the metropolitan government as it relates to the safety program. And I understand Councilman Swope, you were our previous representative? You were on the membership list, so no, you're not. You were not the representative for public safety before.
I was not.
Okay. Well, all right then. We don't.
If
have
I
any-
was, I never got a notice and
never
never
went to a
attended a meeting, so
All
that
right.
makes me pretty useless.
So is there anybody who would like to nominate themselves or nominate someone else?
Can I move to nominate Councilmember Bob Nash?
Second,
All right. Any other nominations?
call the question.
All right. All right. All in favor of Councilman Bob Nash?
You're it, Bob.
All right. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, I think.
I'm going to expect.
I can tell you it's a real easy gig.
I'm going to expect a report of what actually happened. I'm interested to learn more. So
Do we know who the
very
chairman
much.
of that committee is?
No.
Maybe it's you.
You might be voluntold. Okay, thank you very much. So we'll move on to the first resolution. RS 2021-1178, Alan Evans and others accepts the Community Health Workers for Public Health Response and Resilient Grant from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to the Metro Board of Health to address COVID-19 health disparities in the Nashville area. Do I have a motion?
Motion.
Second?
Okay, it has been moved and properly seconded. Is there any discussion? All right, all in favor?
Yep.
All right. Any opposed? Nope. All right. Next one is RS 2021-1179, Alan Evans and others. Approves Amendment 1 to a grant from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to the Metro Board of Health to provide for the prevention, surveillance, diagnosis, and treatment of HIV/AIDS and administer a minority AIDS initiative program. Do I have a motion?
So moved.
Second.
All in favor? Or actually, any discussion? Rob, all right. Okay, RS 2021-1180, Allen and Evans accepts a grant from the Tennessee Department of Safety and Homeland Security to the Metro Nashville Police Department to continue the enhanced DUI enforcement initiative and target distracted driving and seatbelt enforcement. Do I have a motion? Second. Any discussion? I actually have a question. Can you define a little bit more about what enhanced means?
In essence, what they do is they provide officers on overtime assignments, so it's not taken away from, the patrol assignments. But they're on overtime assignment doing DUI enforcement, seatbelt enforcement. It's based in large part on data about where our crashes are occurring. So it's just enhanced DUI and seatbelt and safety enforcement.
And it's all data driven. It's not based on like resident complaints about issues and.
I'm not saying that they don't take that into consideration if they're having issues in a particular area, but typically with DUIs, we're looking at where our crashes are occurring, and those that are involved that were related to drunk and drug driving.
Oh, okay, very good. All right, thank you. All in favor?
Aye.
All right, any opposed? Okay. I have one thing I wanted to, a couple things I wanted to add. I did ask Councilwoman Delisha Porterfield if she would be vice chair, and she accepted, so she'll be our vice chair. And then initially we were going to have a conversation in this meeting today with Gideon's Army and representatives from the administration, but the timing did not work out. And so there's the potential that we'll have a special called meeting with Budget and Finance about some of the information that came out from the news and a little bit more about the process. And Councilman Rosemary, did you want to talk about?
Not confirmed yet.
Okay, very good. All right then. Anybody else have any business for the good of the group? All right, then this meeting is adjourned.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well done on your first meeting.
Great job.
Are they all going to be
Well done,
fine?
right?